Look how good you're feeling. Him's even got a toy. Yeah, you got a toy. We're going to video you, let everybody see that you're feeling better. All those people who donated, they can see how good Him's feeling. That's a good boy. Hi. Come here, Roper. Come here, Roper. Come here, buddy. Here, come here. Where's your toy? Roper. Want your toy? No, you just went out. You hear him making noise? Oh, I know. Say thank you, everybody. Thank you, everybody. I know you want that bandage off.
Hey.
You want that bandage off your foot?
Is it something you have to cut off, or is it?
Grandma will take it off.
You gotta help, huh? Always helping. Let go. Ow! Ow!
No bite.
He's trying to bite this stuff. There you go.
Okay, buddy.
Are you guys still using the Insanity videos?
Here, buddy. Okay, say bye-bye.